kind of soothing to the soul to be out in nature. I'm an instructor at Penn State University, and I teach biology and environmental science. And so the other half of my discipline or my duties are to do research up here, centered primarily on bird populations, bird productivity. As a researcher, there aren't very many studies that you get long-term data sets for. And we've been compiling data continuously since the early 1950s on this site. So really valuable to have comparative analysis that you can do on the same site over extended periods of time. When we have the right-of-ways here, they're set up or established in a wire zone border zone. So you have in the wire zone a very early herbaceous vegetation community. Then you get into the border zones on the side that allows for a compatible shrub layer that is really a soft edge before you get into mature forest. And there are a number of birds that utilize the border that don't use the wire zone, and so forth. There's 6 different treatments that are replicated on State Gamelands 33, and we can see the results of how the different management types influence the avian communities. We can look at how it changes some of the herbaceous vegetation. We can look at how it changes the pollinators. And so we can get an idea of what tools are best for the ecological communities. And what we've seen is that selective use of herbicides actually is the best for bird productivity and for bird richness and abundance, which goes kind of counterintuitive to what the public perception tends to be. It increases the number of birds that you get, the different types of birds that you get, as well as enhances their productivity